Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is current and you're in the profile you want the extension added to. Once done, open the menu, choose More Tools, then Extensions so you're directly in the Extensions page. This speeds installation. Make sure the toggle for the target profile is selected. If you will add an unpacked extension later, enable Developer Mode. This step avoids installing into the wrong account and prevents sync surprises. Now find the extension in the Chrome Web Store, type the exact name and check the publisher to avoid lookalikes. Click Add to Chrome and read the permission dialog. This explains what the extension can access and why it needs those permissions. If the permissions match your needs, confirm the install. Once installed, click the puzzle icon, then pin the extension so it appears on your toolbar. This makes it easy to open and configure immediately. Finally, configure the extension. Right-click it or open details on the extensions page to access options and sign in if required. Adjust settings to match your workflow, then test on a representative site to confirm features work. If something fails, first disable other extensions to rule out conflicts, then restart Chrome. If the problem persists, remove and reinstall the extension. Developer Mode can help inspect errors, but remember.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.